So really, if you look at the way the world operates, we've really mispriced nature. If you take the real estate value of London and New York, it's $5 trillion. You could probably buy the world's forest cover for less than $1 trillion. So there's this opportunity, I think, to recast the nature of forestry, agriculture, conservation into a broader natural capital asset class that can really scale up that value and attract investment. So we have really built a business over the last 18 years to invest in forestry and land use in a way that is led by a sustainability strategy. So we're trying to look at how forestry and agriculture contribute to big systemic issues like climate change, conservation of nature, creating sustainable rural economies, and bringing institutional capital in to support those scaling up of those solutions. Well, sustainable land use is integral because something like 25% of greenhouse gas emissions are coming out of the land use sector, so we have to fix that. And it's not just about an energy transition, it's also about a land use transition. Something like 70% of the diversity of life on Earth is in forest and land systems, and so if we're going to conserve nature and have a biodiversity positive future, we're going to have to look at how we manage land. And, as we move towards 10 billion people on Earth, we have to find sustainable livelihoods that aren't based on destroying ecosystems. And so all those things have to basically attract capital to be successful. Almost all fresh water comes from forests. So we're trying to find ways that we can actually invest to improve those outcomes and deliver solutions.